All of you very good morning students. The previous class discussed the CO2 transport, but they are the first year topic. There is no only second year topic, but they are the heading in the first year. So CO2 transport is second year topic. Next one, today discuss the respiratory regulatory movements. Respiratory regulatory movements. 4 marks very important question. 4 marks very important question in IP exam. 4 marks very important IP exam. So the respiratory regulatory movements. Respiratory regulatory movements. So the respiration and the respiratory system. So they are regulated by the nervous system. They are regulated by the nervous system. Nervous system means brain, spinal cord, neurons. So they are controlled by the respiratory system. So the controlled by the 4 rhythm center, 4 areas. They are controlled by the respiratory rhythm. First one, respiratory rhythm center. First one, respiratory rhythm center. Second one, pneumotoxic center. Second one, pneumotoxic center. Third one, chemosensitive area. Third one, chemosensitive area. Fourth one, aortic arch and systemic artery. Aortic arch and systemic artery. The 4 areas. First one, respiratory rhythmic center. Second one, pneumotoxic center. Third one, chemosensitive area. Fourth one, aortic arch and systemic artery. Aortic arch and systemic artery. First one, respiratory rhythm center. First one, respiratory rhythm center. The respiratory rhythm center is presenting in the medulla region of the brain. They are presenting in the location. The respiratory rhythm center is located from the medulla region of the brain. Medulla region of the brain. So these function, the respiratory rhythm center function, the primarily responsible for the respiration. Primarily responsible for the respiration. For example, normal inspiration, expiration, normal breathing. So these are all the controlled by the respiratory rhythm center. The breathing, the primarily responsible for the respiratory rhythm. Normal breathing is controlled by the respiratory rhythm center. These are located from the medulla region of the brain. These are located from the medulla region of the brain. They are the respiratory rhythm center. Respiratory rhythm center is presenting on the medulla region of the brain. These function, the primarily responsible for the respiration. Primarily responsible for the respiration. Next one, second one, pneumotoxic center. Second one, pneumotoxic center. Pneumotoxic center. So they are location from the pons of the brain. So the pons, the region of the pons of the brain stem. Pons of the brain stem. So they are the discuss the location. Discuss the neuron system. So just these are located from the pons of the brain stem. Brain stem, the presenting on the pons. The pons of the brain stem presenting on the pneumotoxic center. Pneumotoxic center. Pons of the brain stem. Pons of the brain stem. So the pneumotoxic center. So they are moderate the functions of the respiratory rhythm center. Moderate the. These are maintain the respiratory rhythm center. So that pneumotoxic center, they maintain the respiratory rhythm center. The moderate the, that respiratory rhythm center functions are the controlled by the pneumotoxic center. So they are the moderate the functions of the respiratory rhythm center. So these functions are controlled by the pneumotoxic center. The respiratory rhythm center is controlled by the pneumotoxic center. The pneumotoxic center moderate the functions of the respiratory. These pneumotoxic center is controlled by the respiratory rhythm center. Clear? Next one, third one, chemosensitive area. Third one, chemosensitive area. So they are located from the adjacent to the rhythm center. Adjacent to the rhythm center. Adjacent to rhythm center means, adjacent means near. Sides of the adjacent means nearby or sides of the rhythm center. They are located from the adjacent to the rhythm center, nearby the rhythm center, sides of the near center. Next one, sides of the rhythmic center. So these function, the chemosensitive area function. So they are the highly sensitive to the CO2 and hydrogen ions. Highly sensitive to the CO2 and hydrogen ions. So the our body, for example, my body, they increasing in the levels of the carbon dioxide and hydrogen ions. Our body, my body, increasing of the carbon dioxide, increasing of the hydrogen ions. That time, this chemosensitive area is activate. The chemosensitive area is activate. So these are sent to the signals from the respiratory rhythm center. These are the activate. They send to the signals from the respiratory rhythm center. Once revise. For example, my body, the increasing of the carbon dioxide levels, increasing of the hydrogen ion levels. That time, the chemosensitive area is activate. The chemosensitive area is activate. The activated chemosensitive area, they sending to the signals. They send to the signals from the rhythmic center, respiratory rhythmic center. That respiratory rhythmic center, they are the increasing to the breathing. They increasing to the breathing. So the breathing process are the increases. So the more amount of the oxygen is inhalation coming to the our body, and more CO2 to go to the outside. Our body, the more CO2, that CO2 is going to the outside. So they are the chemosensitive area. Chemosensitive area is a highly sensitive to carbon dioxide and hydrogen ions. These are the increases our bodies. These center is the activate. They send it to the signals from the respiratory rhythm center. That respiratory rhythm center increasing of the breathing. The increasing of the breathing times, the more O2 coming from the inside the body, the inside body more CO2 that going to the outside. So they are the chemosensitive area. Next one, aortic arch and systemic arch. Fourth one, aortic arch and systemic artery. So they are the blood vessels. These are the blood vessels. So the blood vessels, the presenting on the receptors. The blood vessel presenting on the receptors. So the aortic arch and systemic artery presenting on the receptors. So these are the recognized. So these receptors, the function recognize the CO2 and H plus concentration. They change in the CO2 levels, hydrogen ions levels. These are the sending the signals to the respiratory rhythm center and pneumotoxic center. The same function. A body, the increasing of the carbon dioxide levels are increasing to the hydrogen ions. The change in the carbon dioxide and hydrogen ions levels, they send it to the signals from the respiratory rhythm center and pneumotoxic center. So these two centers, the increasing of the breathing. So that increasing of the breathing, the elimination of the more CO2 and more hydrogen ions. So they are the aortic arch and sensitive artery. So they are the blood vessels. These blood vessels presenting on the receptors. The blood vessels presenting on the receptors. That receptors, the identification of the change in the CO2 levels and change in the H plus concentrations, the increasing of the CO2 or increasing of the hydrogen ions, they send to the signals from the respiratory rhythm center and pneumotoxic center. These two centers, they increasing of the breathing. So that process, the elimination of the more CO2 and more hydrogen ions. So they are the respiratory movements, respiratory regulatory movements. First one, respiratory rhythm center, pneumotoxic center, chemosensitive area, aortic arch and carotid artery. 4 marks, very important question, very easy question.